Okay, guys, off my first grind, back to my number one grind. You guys, here we go. Yo, Bitcoin Army. Noobs, this one's for you. Let's get it. You've been asking questions all over the place. If you're starting out and want to buy Bitcoin cheap, here you go. Then secure it like a fortress without getting absolutely wrecked. You know what I mean? You're in the right place because I'm going to show you the keys to the Lamborghini. I guarantee you. Fees eat your sats alive. Exchanges can banish your coins overnight. Remember that, guys. Today, my number one beginner combo in 2026, buy on River. That's one of the better exchanges that I use for this deal that I'm doing, StackSats. Lowest fees, straight to SECUX cold storage wallet. Right here, guys. Bam, my personal hardware wallet. No BS, just the grind. Stack safe and strong. You always keep multiples. Let's pound fiat and risk into the dusk. And you know what I mean by that. Here we go, guys. I'm going to show you the best places to buy Bitcoin with super low fees. Let's get this. Diving in. First step, buying smart as a noob. Every dollar lost to fees equals less Bitcoin forever. Remember that, guys. We're talking trusted, easy platforms, mostly US focused. Quick rundown of top low fee beasts. Right now, this is current time, guys. Cash App, super simple. If you guys ain't using Cash App, I never do. 1 to 3% spread. Great starter, but fees add up fast. I guarantee they do. Strike, lightning fast, around 0.3 to 1% killer for payments. Lightning Network is great. I remember it was super low fees back in the day. Swan Bitcoin, Bitcoin only. Like me, 0.99% or promo 0. Solid for DCAing, stacking those sats. Kraken, pro low 0 to 0.26. Secure, but steeper curve. My absolute number one is River. 0 fees on recurring buys, set weekly DCAs, and forget it. You can have your checks automatically deposited in there and convert it to Bitcoin. One time around 0.25 to 1%. Clean app, Bitcoin focused, easy bank link. This is where I stack from my Uber and Coke gigs. Remember that. I got that Q1 coming up. I'm going to show you guys. Lowest long-term costs, period. And let's ground pound those high fees with River, guys. Stack that sats. I got a link in the description. This is not financial advice. This is just my journey, and this is what I do. And this is why I never leave any Bitcoin on exchanges. Now the critical truth. Here you guys go. In case you missed it for the last couple bull runs. Not your keys, not your coins. It never will be. Never leave big stacks on exchanges. Got a couple grand, get it off there. Get it moved over to these cold storage wallets. Exchanges are hot wallets, always online, hacker magnets. History is brutal, guys. It really is, and it will tell. Mt. Gox, 850K BTC is gone forever from way back in the day. FTX collapse, that was a given. All these people throwing out this money for interest that they couldn't produce. Even in 2026, freezes, bankruptcies, government grabs. You're trusting strangers with your wealth? Come on now. That's your money. Keep it in your bank. A Bitcoin cold storage wallet or whatever crypto you guys use or want to use. One hack, one a day. Get wrecked forever. Keep that on a cold storage wallet. Self-custody is Bitcoin freedom. Cold storage equals offline vault. Secure it, unhackable fortress. You know the truth. Buy on River, withdraw immediately to cold storage wallet. No excuses. Secure or get absolutely wrecked. If you know what I mean. Do not find out the hard way, guys. This is my best cold storage wallet that I absolutely use, and I rely on it quite frequently, is my SECUX cold storage hardware wallet. Keeping keys offline, no internet, no remote hacks. Top 26 picks real quick. We're going to go over those guys for you guys. Everybody loves this one. I had a few, I gave them away. Ledger, popular. Bluetooth, models, solid, but past breach noise. Yeah, I don't want no part of that. It's my money. I want to keep it where it's safe. Trezor, the king. Open source king, touchscreen easy, transparent beast. And here's another really good one, guys. Cold card, air gapped, paranoid mode, Bitcoin only, hardcore. My personal number one is SECUX. I use it all the time. I use V20 to W20 every day. Military grade EAL5 chip, bank level security, full air gapped options, no Bluetooth risk if you want. You don't have to connect, guys. It's got a huge touch screen for easy signing, supports tons, but Bitcoin focused for stacking. And always remember that. I'm a Bitcoiner, so that's where I gravitate. I don't mess around with any of the other stuff. Just a side note. Build like a tank. I've dropped mine, still pounds. Simple setup for noobs, secure seed backup, write it down. Best value in 2026 protects my grind, sats perfectly. All those Uber payouts or DoorDash straight in there. And you guys will see in Q1. SECUX pounding hacks to the dust. Let's go, guys. Get it. Here's my step-by-step combo. Dead simple. Beast mode setup. Let's go. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you what I do. Sign up for River. If you don't have a River account, sign up. This is not financial advice, but this is what I would do if you're starting out. Link below. Verified link bank. Set 0 fee recurring DCAs. You can buy every day, every hour on the hour. Buy sats. Watch them hit your balance. You can watch it all day. Stare at it. Get SECUX direct from SECUX.com. I got a link in the description for that as well, guys. You guys can use it if you want. Avoid fakes. Generate seeds offline and set pin. Remember, if you're buying one, you buy it from the actual site. Send from River to SECUX address. Test small first, then full withdrawal. Often for free. Remember that. For free. You don't want to pay. Sats safe offline. Hodl like a warrior, guys. Keep stacking those. Here's a pro tip. Still seed backup in case of a fire. Multi-sig for big stacks. Practice recovery phrases, guys. Keep it in your head. I keep a whole notepad right here. My 2026 challenge, low fees, security, and generational wealth. I'm planning on retiring in a couple of years, so that's where I'm getting at. This is my motivation for you guys. Newbies, River, SECUX is the ultimate beginner power move. Start stacking safe today. Drop River plus SECUX Stacker in comments. If your first buy plan, best one, gets shot, your buy plan gets shot outs in Q1 updates, and I will be giving away some sats. Smash that like button if you're ready to secure your Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Let me see. I want to see those comments hitting that. Let's go. Subscribe. Hit that bell for more beginner pounds because I'll be putting out a few more for you guys so you can see the transparency. We take full control. Let's build this army. And you'd want to know something? Here we go. Let's get it.